Now, as we have prepared the table, now it is the time to format it. How the formatting will be done? I'll show you that particular part one by one. First, you are able to see runs scored by players in cricket tournament. It is blue in color, underline and center. Moving on to the formatting part over here. First, what I'll do, I'll select from A1 to H1. You are able to see merge in center. And then click on the center button. I'll make it bold. I'll make it underline by pressing Control U. Remember, underline is done by Control U. Now the font color. The font color it is blue and I'm making it visible by changing certain text. Select any text as per your requirement and just make it bold enough. I'm selecting 24. Yes, so the first formatting has been done. If 24 is very big, just make it 20. Yes, now it is perfect. The second thing that I'm able to see over here is name, match 1, match 2, match 3. First, match 1, match 2, match 3 and total runs. They are center aligned. I'm selecting all these things, going in the horizontal alignment, making center. One more time, the same thing. Select match 1 till total. Go in horizontal alignment, click center. And you are able to see that everything is centered as given in the image over here. Now we are able to see name, match 1, match 2, match 3, match 4. They are in bold and the background color is yellow. So what I'll do, I'll select all this thing, make it bold, make it 12 and the background color, that is the fill color, will be yellow. The next formatting has been done. Now all the names of the players are given in orange. So what I'll do, I'll select all the players from Pankaj to Amanpreet. Again go in fill color, select orange. You are able to see this particular thing has been done. Now what I require different types of format over here. So I'm selecting over here outline border and making the border as very thick. Sorry, the thick border is over here. Again select the border, click over here, the border thickness, make a thick border. Next, from name till here, that is total run. Again thick border has come. Again this, now the thick border is displayed. And the last thing that I will be doing is selecting all the things from year to year, that is from Pankaj to total number of runs, border. A very thick border will automatically come. Now the only thing that is remaining is total. You remember how we inserted total? I'll be clicking on the functions, that is the summation over here. Click on the sum. When you click on the sum, automatically it will ask you for the range of the cell. So Pankaj is from B2 to B5 to G5. I'm pressing enter. When you press enter, you will be able to get the marks as 208. You are able to see a rectangle, small square, drag it. When you are dragging it down, the entire table is ready as given in the textbook and it is ready to be uploaded on the Google form now. Done. Thank you.